5 quick art tips for beginners. Number 1. Don't give up. It's probably just a setback and tomorrow is a new day. Number 2. Ask for critiques respectfully. Don't expect anything, you're not owed a critique. Number 3. Finished, not perfect. Don't strive for perfection because you'll probably never reach it. Number 4. Saturation is how vibrant a colour or hue is. Number 5. Look at your drawing in reverse, in a mirror, or flip the canvas horizontally. Thanks for watching. Did you know I have a website? It's got my comics, illustrations, and my blog, which is updated weekly. It also has free downloadable resources for beginners like perspective grids, tutorials on things like value, as well as my own custom brush packs. Did I mention they're free? They're free! Check it out in the description and sign up to my email address so you can be the first ones to see the updates.